Hello students, good evening. How are you? Today I am going to explain you trigonometry 18 topic. In this I will explain you transformations. The topic about transformations. So the sum or difference of trigonometric functions are transformed into their products and vice versa. What is the meaning of this? Sum and difference. Sum and difference of trigonometric functions are converted into, transformed into product. Product of trigonometric functions. Or sometimes will be given product of trigonometric functions, we have to convert into sum or difference of two trigonometric functions. So this is the concept ma. So already I explained you the formula based on compound angles. We know that sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b is equal to 2 sin a cos b. And second one is sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b is equal to 2 cos a sin b. The third one is cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b is equal to 2 cos a cos b. The fourth one is cos of a plus b minus cos of a minus b is equal to minus 2 sin a sin b, or it can be written as cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b is equal to plus 2 sin a sin b, where a and b are real numbers. Now I will convert how these sum and difference of two trigonometric functions converted into product. Now let us take a plus b is equal to c and a minus b is equal to d. What I am doing here? The formula based on only a plus b and a minus b. So let us take the sum of two angles a and b equal to c. The difference of two angles a and b is equal to d. Now let us add c and d. So by adding c and d, here minus b and plus b will get cancelled. A plus a is equal to 2a. 2a is equal to c plus d. And what is a? C plus d product multiplication 2 becomes transpose as division 2. Now what are c and d? C and d belongs to real numbers. C comma d belongs to real numbers. Now I'll subtract these c and d. You observe here. A plus b is equal to c. A minus b is equal to d. Now let us find what is c minus d. When we are subtracting c minus d, here symbols will be changed. Here minus a plus a will get cancelled. B plus b is equal to 2b. Now what is b? B is equal to c minus d by 2. So here I will take the first compound angle formula. So what is it? Sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b is equal to 2 sin a cos b. Now see how it transformed. Now sin of a plus b. What is a plus b? I have taken a plus b as a c. Sin c plus sin of a minus b. What is a minus b? D. Sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 sin, what is a? Sin a. A is c plus d by 2. Sin c plus d by 2 into cos b. B is c minus d by 2. Cos c minus d by 2. Now you observe here how sum or difference of two trigonometric functions are transformed into product. Are you following here? Now let us go to the second formula. Here what is second formula is sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b is equal to, so when I am subtracting these two, our formula transformed into 2 cos a sin b. Now how it transformed, you observe here. We will get here sin a plus b. What is a plus b here? C. 2 sin c minus sin d is equal to 2 cos a. A is c plus d by 2. 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin b. Sin c minus d by 2. Now let us go to the third formula. What is third one here? Cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b is equal to 2 cos a cos b. Now how it transform, you see here. Cos of a plus b. What is a plus b here? Cos c plus cos of a minus b means cos d. A minus b d is equal to 2 into cos A. What is A here? C plus D by 2 into cos B, cos C minus D by 2. Now let us go to the fourth one. What is fourth one here? Cos of A plus B minus cos of A minus B is equal to minus 2 into sin A sin B. Now how it transforms you observe. Cos A plus B is nothing but C minus cos A minus B, that is D, is equal to minus 2 into sin A. A is C plus D by 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin B. B is C minus D by 2. Or we can write it as, how can we write this? Cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B is equal to plus 2 sin A into sin B. Now we can write this as cos of, what is A minus B ma? D, cos D minus cos of A plus B means cos C is equal to 2 sin A sin C plus D by 2 into sin B means C minus D by 2. So what are C and D? C and D belongs to real numbers. So these are transformations of trigonometric functions. Students, I'll stop this class here. In next class, I will explain some examples based on this topic. Okay, ma, if you like, please like and share my class and subscribe my channel. Thank you, ma.